How to change beneficiaries on Edward Jones. Follow my instructions. Need to update your beneficiary details on Edward Jones. Here's how you can do it easily in 2025. First, log into your Edward Jones account from the mobile app or website. Go to the Accounts section and select the account you want to update. Then tap on Settings or Account Options. Look for an option labeled Beneficiaries or Update Beneficiaries. Tap it. You'll be asked to enter details like name, relationship, and date of birth. Review your changes carefully, then tap Save or Submit. Some accounts may require a signature verification for added security. That's how you change beneficiaries on Edward Jones in 2025. Thanks for watching.